Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday, I teach you about comparing three digits number, right? So, we did some questions, right, from the exercise. So, today we'll do exercise 12, okay? And there also we'll apply the rules that we have discussed yesterday. Okay, so let's do question number 1. So here compare the numbers. So here you have to compare which number is the bigger one. Okay, so we'll apply the rules. So see the first one, 137 and 182. So two numbers are there, 137 and 182. So here we'll write 137, 182. Okay, now we'll apply the first rule. We'll see the digits. Okay, now in both the number they are having 3 digits, right? So first rule, we can't determine or we can't say which number is the bigger one. So now we'll apply the second rule. So second rule is what? We'll see the highest place value. So this one is 100, so we'll see the 100 place value. So see, in both the numbers 1, okay, is the common in 100 place. So same number is there in 100 place, right? So now what we will do, we'll see the next value. Okay, if same values are found in a particular place, right, in particular position, we will choose the another value, okay, another place value. So we'll see the tens place. So see, 3 is there and 8 is there. So we know that 8 is greater than 3. So which number is the greater one? 182 will be the greater number. So we'll give this sign towards 182. Okay, now see the B part. Here 142 and 148 is given, right? So we'll write 142 and 148. 48. So here we'll see the digits. So both are having 3 digits. Now we'll see the highest place value. So here in 100 place both are having 1. Now we'll see the next place value. So in tens place also both are having same number, that is 4. So now we'll see the next place value, that is ones. So here you can see one number having 2 and the another number having 8. So 8 is bigger than 2. So which number is the bigger one? 148 will be the bigger one. So we'll give this sign towards 148. Okay, now let's do the C part. So two numbers are there, 44 and 144. So 44 and 144. So we'll see first of all the digits. So one number having 2 digits and the another number having 3 digits. So 3 digit number will be the greater one by applying first rule, right? So 144 will be the bigger number. Okay, okay, now let's do the next one. So D, you just see the numbers that are given, 196. Okay, we'll do this one, 196 and 169. 169. Okay, now see the digit. So both are having 3 digit, right? Now we'll see the place value. So we'll start from the highest one. So here in 100 place both are having 1, right? So we'll see the next number. So next number is what? Tens place. In tens place, one having 9 and another number having 6. So 9 is greater than 6. So we'll write, that means which one is the highest one or the greater one? This one. 196 will be the greater one. Okay, now see the E part. So here also we'll see first of all the digits. Okay, so first number having 2 digit 96 and the second number having 3 digit 101. So we know that more the digits, greater will be the number, right? So 101 will be the greater one. Okay, like this only you have to apply the rules, okay, that we already discussed. Okay, so for your understanding I am giving you F, G, H and I. You have to do this 4, okay, in your classwork copy. Okay, so F, G, H, I you will do in your copy. Okay, okay, now let's see the next question. Question number 2. So here circle the greatest number. So you have to circle the greater one. Okay, the number that is greatest, that number you have to circle. Okay, so now see the first one. So the numbers that are given, what are the numbers that are given? First is, okay, wait a second. First is 48, second number 150 and the third number 101. Okay, now first of all we'll see the digits. Okay, so this one having 2 digit and the rest of these 2 having 3 digit. So this will be the greater one, so we'll cut this one. Okay, this one we will not include. Okay, now see these two. So out of these two, one will be the greatest number. Okay, so how we can compare? We'll see the highest place value. So 100 place value having same number. So we'll see the tens place value. So one having 5 and the another having 0. So 5 is greater than 0. So this number will be the greater one. Right? So we'll circle this one. Okay, like this only you have to do this one. So see the B part. Here which number will be the greater one? Just apply the rules. Tell me. Yeah. So 194 will be the greater one. Okay. You just apply first rule, second rule and third rule. Okay. Okay, now see the C part. Which number will be the greater one? 100, 200 or 199? Yeah. So 200 will be the greatest number. Okay. Now see D part. Which number is the greater one? 131, 141 or 111? Yeah. 141 will be the greater one. Okay, so now you will do E and F by your own. Okay, and these two you have to do in your copy. Okay, is it clear? So here you have to apply the rules and you have to find out which number is the greater one. Okay, and you have to circle that greatest number. Okay. Okay, now see question number 3. So here you have to circle the smallest one. So the smallest one you have to circle it. So we'll first of all we'll see the digit. Okay, if 1 digit number is there and the rest of the numbers having 2 digit or 3 digit, so 1 digit number will be the smaller one, because we know that more the digit will be, greater will be the number, right? So see A part. So 1 having 1 digit, next number having 2 digits, that is 11, and the third number having 3 digit 111, right? So which will be the smallest one? 9 will be the smallest one, right? Now see B part. So 2 number having 3 digit and only 1 number having 2 digit number, right? So We know that if the digits will be less, the smaller will be the number. Okay, so here the smallest number will be 36. Okay, now see the C part. So here all are having 3 digit, right? So we'll apply second and third rule, okay, in order to find out which one is the greater one. Okay, or you can also see the numbers that are given here. 100 is there, then 101 is there, then 110 is there. So 100 will comes earlier, right? Then 101 we will get, then 110 we will get. So the smallest number will be what? 100. Okay, so like this only you have to do D, E and F in your classwork copy. Okay, is it clear? So what's your homework? You have to do F, G, H, I, right? Then E, F, right? And then these 4. Okay, these 3. Okay, you have to do this question in your classwork copy. Okay, so in our next class we'll see a new topic, that is increasing and decreasing order, and these things you know, right? So we'll quickly revise this concept and then we'll start our exercise. Okay.